is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something I found 2 days ago at H Mart in sunny Linwood, Washington, next to the Alderwood Mall, on 184th Street, I guess that's in Snohomish County. And yeah, cup noodles original. So they've been coming out with US versions of the Japanese original ones. So there's like the seafood cup noodle and the curry cup noodle, and this is supposed to be the original cup noodle. So I'm gonna today's gonna be a busy day. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, let me fill this to the line, which is right there. For 3 minutes. I'm doing 3 cups today. There's our 3 minutes. So how the heck is everybody? Man, I'm gonna tell you what. When you go and you take a week off of walking, boy, it's hard to get back in the swing of things again. It wasn't even actually a whole week. I thought it was like quite a while, but it really wasn't. It just felt that way. But I've gotten back into the whole walking thing, and man, it's hard. I want to get back up to where I was at last month, but I guess it's just going to take time. And yeah. So what's going on right now? Starting hopefully tomorrow, if I can get him on the phone, we're going to have a 2-part series where we talk to Stumpy from Little Rock. Stumpy was incarcerated recently, so we're going to ask him, get all the skinny on that. If you've been a long time watcher and follower of the show, you know who Stumpy is. He's an interesting character. And what else? So the Washington Redskins are changing their name. And I've been thinking about it. It's like, what are they going to change their name to? They can't call themselves the Senators. They could call themselves the Washington Representatives. No. The Washington... You know what? Instead of just offending one minority group, why not just offend everybody? So you could have like the Washington up yours, the Washington the hell with all of you, the Washington you suck. I think that one would be good. Because I mean, they had that name, the Redskins, for like 80 years, and in the last few decades it's just been like constantly, like at least, well, like once or twice a year you hear this big long harangue about it offends these people, so they need to change the name. It's like, apparently they didn't care about offending people, and they must have liked it to some degree. So, yeah, they should come up with a name that's universally offensive. You know, like the Washington FU. And, yeah. Yeah, I think it'd be good. I think it'd be good for them. Oh, anyway. Yeah. Weather's been nice. Nice weather. Very nice. By the time you see this, I don't know what days. Taking all that time off, I've got Instant Noodle Recipe Time shows up till like this Thursday, I think, and it's Monday. So that's like really tight. I need to build that buffer up again. I'm gonna try to do like 3 reviews a day for the next week. If I can pull that off, that'll make a big dent in that. But yeah, kind of cuckoo. Here we go with our original cup noodles. This looks nice. It's nice. It's nice for everybody. As you can see, there's a lot going on with this. So, U.S. cup noodles versus Japanese cup noodle. Japanese cup noodle always has just like a plethora of garnish and stuff. This one I think has like a little pork ball and shrimp and maybe some egg. I'm hoping it's got the egg. But yeah, it's got all these different things. And the ones here, they just don't go for that. They used to. But it's not really a common thing to find egg in instant noodles in the US. Which is too bad because it's a really nice add-on. Alright, here we go. There you go. That looks nice. Okay, let me give it a try. It should be good. A little shrimpy. Very, very nicely hydrated shrimp. Kind of an eggy egg thing. Yeah. Another one. Same thing. It's like minced pork. And I'm guessing there just isn't any egg in here. I thought there were little bits of egg in the original one. Maybe I'm wrong. That's pleasant. It's like a shoyu with some. Here's the broth. I'm getting a salty, a kind of maybe a sesame, and it's just nice. Yeah, I like that. So part of doing 3 reviews a day, I think I'm going to have to be kind of skimpy on doing garnish, and I don't know, you might well just want to see how this one looks without. That's just how I'm going to do things today, I think. Kind of get back into the swing, because God, last week I did what? I got completed 4 top 10 lists, and then packages started showing up, and I did 7 unboxing times, which are going to be playing out over the next so many days. It was just like bam, bam, bam. 2 of this box, 1 of this box, 2 of these boxes, another 1 of these boxes. It just like kept coming, and there's more coming. So I'm trying to stay on top of everything. But let's let the old Rotato heat up and groove on with your bad selves. Here we go. Well, yeah, if you see this one, definitely pick it up. This is really good. I could see myself pounding one of these, no sweat. So, yeah, it'll do well. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.